Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's T5 the Traveler with Becky the Trekkie. We are at Worlds of Fun in Kansas City, Missouri, and it's time for Spinning Dragons. This is the free spinning coaster that they have here. It's our last coaster of the trip that we haven't ridden yet, so this will be a first ride on this coaster for us. We wonder how it compares to Pandemonium, another spinning coaster we've been on there. If you like this video, definitely check that one out. We spun a lot on Pandemonium, so it'll be interesting to see by comparison. Got a little bit of a queue wait, so we'll see you when we get up there.
We have our group, thank you.
How are you? Do you want to sit across from each other or sit next to each other?
You guys will sit across, you guys will sit on the same side, you guys will sit on the same side.
Oh, okay. That answered that question.
The reason why we get two groups together so our line doesn't get over an hour long.
Okay, after you. Anytime.
Actually, I have person.
Sure. Certainly.
They'll also have everybody cross their ankles to make it to where these go down further.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys all go ahead and cross your ankles like I said, crisscross for us, please.
Yes, indeedy.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. My bad.
Okay. Crisscrossed and locked in.
Can you try and like scoot forward a little bit?
Scoot forward a little bit, he said. Yep. There you go.
Same thing.
Thanks for it.
Up ours. Have you guys put your hands up as high as you can? We can try it, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Same thing, cross your ankles. Y'all can do it. Y'all can do it. Try like that. Same thing, like scoot forward a little bit.
You know what? Actually, probably.
Are we good?
I don't know.
I think we're good. We're going.
Jesus Christ, oh Lord. Oh, we're
Everything will be fine.
Ow!
I'd recommend looking.
Oh,
I'd say look. You'll be fine.
Oh no. There we go.
Here we go. Round the bend.
Oh no.
Your hair's coming. You're there. You're home. You're home.
Oh. Ow.
You're home.
Ooh, we're spinning.
You want to go again, and I'll see if they'll do a double ride. I thought it was great. I mean, honestly, I had a lot of fun on that.
It was fun.
I gotta tell you.
That head bumping.
The eyes closed is way harder. I mean, I don't even know that I would attempt
I don't
that.
know where to look.
So, I mean, that's hardcore, eyes closed though. I got hats off to you on that. Oh, we're here.
Good Lord.
We're here. Exit to the right.
Exit time to get out.
All right.
Oh my God, I'm so dizzy.
After you.
Oh goodness.
You're welcome. Oh, wow. Had a great ride, huh? Had a great ride.
What am I saying?
Spinning Dragons and Spinning Dragons. I gotta say that was one of the funnest mixed couple rides we had on the show. You just got set in with a random twosome there, and then had a great ride with those two ladies. Hats off to you. She was nervous. She had her eyes closed the whole time. I mean, it was just classic. I was laughing so. I mean, I was having so much fun. I was, like, didn't even really get to experience the ride because I was just like, it was just great. But honestly, it's pretty smooth. It's not too bad. Definitely look in the direction that you're heading on that ride, and then you won't get so dizzy. I mean, closing your eyes going backwards. I mean, it just worked out. She was backwards for most of that, but wow. I mean, that was really. It's just a great one. What'd you think though, theming and all in all?
It's nice theming, like the station theme.
Yeah.
But yeah, another good ride.
Awesome. So one of the weird things is like the preload process. So like they had me switch, and then they switched the other two back around to match the same two. So that's why we kind of show that in the beginning of our videos, you know, just so you get the full experience of like, if there's like something weird in the load, it's like, does that ever happen before? Well, that happened to us. And I will admit that on the last one that like this, they did switch the seats, and then we switched last second after they switched us twice, I guess just to be a little bit, you know, rebellious after the first two switches. But anyway, all in all, great ride. We'll see where it ranks out here at Worlds of Fun for the top 7, I guess, for us here. And thanks to all our new subscribers, thanks to our loyal fellow travelers, and we'll see you all soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.